Welcome to week 1 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop. In today's session, we will be looking at the beginning form, followed by the first posture, which is repulse monkey. I'll demonstrate facing you to the left, to the right. I'll turn around and you can follow me the same to the left and to the right, following from behind. We always begin with feet together, placing your right hand in a fist, left palm on top, placing the left thumb over the fist and bowing to begin. Taking the hands by the side, take a nice deep breath in and out. And throughout the practice, breathing slowly and deeply. Lifting up the left heel, stepping the left foot out to the side onto the toe. Now making sure you've touched the floor with your toe before then planting the heel down. So our feet are about shoulders width apart. And don't worry too much about the breathing, just making sure, as we said, you're breathing slowly and deeply throughout. So we begin with palms facing down, lifting them up to shoulder height, nice and slowly, pausing, and then we push down. And as we push down with real purpose and meaning, we're starting to bend at the knees as well. This is our beginning form. Now we start by taking the right hand out to the right hand side. So we're bringing it up to shoulder height with the palm facing up. And as we do so, this left palm is also coming up to the same height. We then bring the right hand to the head. And we're starting to face forwards as we push this right palm forwards, bringing the left palm into the belly. So this is our repulse monkey. Then we repeat the same to the opposite side. So we bring the left hand up towards shoulder height, palm facing up, right palm up. Bring the left hand to the head, now facing forwards. As you push the left palm forwards, the right hand comes in to the belly. Okay? So that's repulse monkey to the left. Now we'll begin to the right, starting with our beginning form. So lifting up the right heel, step the right foot out, landing on the toe. Once you feel the floor, pushing the right heel down. Lifting the hands all the way up to shoulder height with the palms facing down, then pushing the hands down to around the belly, bending the knees as you do so. This time, we take the left hand out to the side first, left palm up, right palm up. So about shoulder height. Bring the left hand to the head, now facing forwards, pushing the left palm forwards as you bring the right hand to the belly. So this is repulsing the monkey. Right hand up to the side, left palm up, right hand to the head, turn forwards, push the right hand forwards as you bring the left hand in to the belly. Okay? I'm going to show you the same again, but this time I'm going to turn around so you can see what it looks like from behind. So we'll start to the left and then we'll do to the right. Starting with the beginning form, lifting the left heel up, step the left foot out to the side, feel the floor beneath your toe before you press the heel down. Lifting the hands up in front with palms facing down to shoulder height. Push the palms down, bending the knees with purpose. Take the right hand out to the side, shoulder height, palm up, left palm up, right hand to belly. Push the right hand forwards as you bring the left hand into the belly, repulse monkey. Left hand out to the side, palm up, right palm up, left hand to the head. Push the left hand forwards as you bring the right hand towards the belly. Okay? We'll do the same now to the right. So starting with our beginning form, lift the right heel. Step the right foot out to the side, plant the toe. Push the heel down to the floor. Lift up the palms. Push down, palms facing down, bending at the knees. Starting by bringing your left hand up, right hand up. Bring the left hand to the head. Push the left hand forwards as you bring the right hand into the belly. Right hand up, left hand up, right hand to the head. Push the right hand forwards as you bring the left hand into the belly. Thank you for completing week 1 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop.